Denise from Najada Online, and here we are on the homepage of Google in Firefox. And what I wanted to do today is show you how you can find out how your site is being optimized. Now, you may already know this, or you may not, depending on what conversations you've had with your website developer. And there's a way that you can actually find out what keywords are in your site, and then you've got some idea of knowing whether they're the correct keywords or not. So there's two ways of doing this, depending on whether you use Firefox or whether you use Internet Explorer, whether you have a blog, or whether you have a standard HTML site or something known as a Joomla or Drupal content management system. So let's just have a quick look, and I'll show you some different ways of doing this. So we're on Firefox at the moment. So let's just go to one of our sites, revealing one of our sites here. And this is our sales management site, and you can see it's come up already, and 19 million competing pages, and we're still number one, so I'm quite pleased about that. So let's just go into this and let me show you exactly what you need to do. Now, bear in mind, this particular site is on WordPress software. So let me just remove that so we're not getting too confused, and I'll show you exactly how you can find out what keywords are on this site. So what we do in Firefox is we go up to this part here where we've got view, and then we look at page source, and then just hit page source. And what this does is it reveals how this site is being optimized. Now, the first thing you can see here, we have title, and what we have optimized this site for are some specific keywords that people are searching on in the UK, and that's sales management training, sales manager training UK, and sales training UK. So we've got these three keywords. You can see this obviously makes quite an impact because of where we are landing in regards to the search engine. So that's the title. As you come down, one of the reasons why I love WordPress so much is you can use various plugins, and we use a plugin called the All-in-One Search Engine Optimization Pack. And so what you have here is your description, and you know, if you've actually watched another video of ours on keyword research, how important the description is. So here we have, do you wish your sales team sold more? Having been a sales manager for a very significant part of my life, every sales manager always wishes their team sold more. No matter how much they're selling, they always wish they sold more. And then the keywords we have. Keywords are very important for a blog, known sometimes as keyword tags. So here we have sales management, sales manager training, how to be a good sales manager, sales training, sales skills. All of these are keywords, and if you look on your site, it may look something similar to this. If it's a WordPress blog, and you need to make sure that your site has the right keywords in the right place. If you go back to the title, you can see these horizontal lines that we have. You can actually put those in yourself, and you will find the key down near the shift key on your keyboard. So that is how to find your keywords within a WordPress blog and through Firefox. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you a HTML site. Let me just find this one here, which is our Staffy Pup site. Rather than go and search for it, then it's here, and I can show you exactly how this works. And one thing to draw your attention to here, this is where you will always find the title of your page. And if I just leave that up, you can see we've got Staffordshire Bull Terrier. It's disappeared at the moment, but I'll show you Staffordshire Bull Terrier Puppies, Staffordshire Bull Terrier, Staffy Pups Ultimate Guide. So all these are keywords. Now, a number of sites, and yours may be similar, you may find that your first page is called Home, which, to be honest, you really are losing out with regards to the search engines if your titled page is just Home, because people aren't searching on Home. So that's a key tip for you there. So We're in Internet Explorer. I know lots of people still use Internet Explorer, and forgive me for having all these things here. It's just that obviously I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. So just so you know, next to the printer part here, next to the printer part here, we're going to hit Page, and then we go down to View Source. So when you hit View Source, it takes me to the back of the StaffyPub site. Now we do have a lot of keywords in there. Probably need to take some of those out now. They are very relevant for Bing and Yahoo as a search engine, not so for Google. Very similar to what we said last time. You can see the title that we have there, which is Staffordshire Bull Terrier Puppies, Staffordshire Bull Terrier. So that's our title. We have our keywords here, which is, you can see we've got rather a lot of keywords there. Staffordshire Bull Terrier, Blue Staffordshire Bull Terrier, Staffordshire Bull Terrier Puppies. So all these are keywords. And under our description, as you can see the description, we also then have our Staffordshire Bull Terrier Puppies. Are you confused about where to find one? Need some practical help? Get our free mini course. And so that is all our keywords actually there. So there is a way for you to find out what the page source is and what your keywords are for your particular site, which is incredibly useful as you are moving your business forward online, because this is the foundations, actually setting your site up for success. And obviously the first thing to do is to find out whether you're actually set up for success, whether your keywords are actually in the site and mirror what you want to be found on. So so this is Denise from Najada Online. I hope you found that little video really useful, and we'll speak soon.